Hello everyone, this is the short update on Gland Pharma Q3 FY22 results. Let's directly go to the investor presentation given by the company. Here is a picture in front of you. The picture shows the financial highlights of Q3 FY22 as well as other parameters, 9 months of FY21 and 9 months of FY22. As you can see, revenue from operations have grown 24% in this quarter. On a 9-month basis, the revenue grown 28%. EBITDA margin stands for this quarter around 36%. Again, growth of 32% YOY in absolute numbers. 9 months EBITDA margin at 38%. Absolute number grown by 24%. PAT stands at 273 crores. There is a growth of 34% on YOY basis, Q3 of FY21 and Q3 of FY22. On 9-month basis, profit after tax stands around 925 crores, 26% growth on YOY basis. R&D expenditure, this remains one of the interesting part, has grown 61% YOY basis. On 9-month basis, it has grown 87%. So on 9-month basis of in FY22 financial year, gross expenditure on capital expenditure have grown considerably. In this case, as you can see, these numbers are depicting revenue expenditure as well as capital expenditure. Okay, that was about the financial highlight. As you can see, the company is consistently projecting a growth in revenue, EBITDA, profit after tax on YOY basis in 25 to 30%, 25 to 40% in this bracket. On that basis, currently the stock is around 3,500 and price to earning ratio, it may seem little higher, but looking at the growth, it looks attractive even in current market. At current price, the stock looks attractive to me. Let's go to some other aspects of the result. As you can see in the picture, a balance sheet and capex expenditure. This capital, in this picture we will get a better idea of capital expenditure. Net worth, okay, stands around 6,800 crore. Okay, fine. Cash and bank balances, net cash has improved on a YOY basis. As you can see, in 9 months of FY22, cash has improved by almost, I would say, 6 to 7% net cash, with more than that. So that is one of the crucial thing. Net working capital improved. Okay, this could be a negative factor looking at this, but it indicates that there the production capacity and production, the in process production is higher as compared to last year. Capital expenditure, this number is what I would say astonishing. From 181 crore, it has jumped to 454. It's almost 500 crore. In 9 months of FY22, the company spent almost 450 crores on capital expenditure. So it gives a very promising outlook for future growth. Okay, so far as I know, I think it is very impressive capital expenditure so far as the pharma industry is concerned. Okay, one more picture in front of you. Now this gives the overall profit and loss highlights of this quarter as well as 9 months. As we have already discussed, this is just a number. I would like to point out the margins directly, the bottom line: 25%, 30%, 25%, 23%, 27%, 28%, and Q2 FY22 the margins were 27% as the last column on a extreme right hand side. So growth, you can look, the YOY figures are in front of you. Already discussed these things. So on growth and margin, it looks very promising. I mean, the valuations are justified when we look at these numbers. One more picture: geographical breakup of the core market. Core market YOY growth for 9 months stand at 20%. Q3 FY22, in this quarter the YOY growth is around 10%. Okay, this may not be very impressive, but as the figures are growing in this market, and also we have seen some disruptions, that might be one of the reason. New filings in US in this quarter. Already in previous videos, these things have been discussed. The company is consistently filing new molecules. Rest of the world market growth is very impressive. In this quarter, it has grown 88% YOY, 9 months 64% growth. So that is impressive. This is really impressive. Okay, India's domestic market YOY growth in this quarter 31%. 9 months YOY growth is 40%. Again, this is also impressive. The company has a very limited market in India, but most of the revenue for this company comes from the export. So that is also one of the point. Now this is the something which we should look at from the future valuation point of view. Expanding capabilities in complex injectables, which was discussed in the previous result video also, that is available in the channel, and link is there in the description box. All the links including fundamental analysis and various results update is available in the description box. You can check out that. Working on development of 17 complex injectables in first phase, expanding capabilities in following areas: peptides, suspensions, hormonal products, new delivery systems, pens, cartridges, installation of new lines catering to suspensions and hormonal products at Pashami-Laram facility has been completed. Capex of 200 crore for building these lines. Already they have done that. Building biotech and vaccine manufacturing. We are making investment towards creating robust infrastructure for vaccine and biosimilar space. This was highlighted in the last quarter's result, but again the company pointed out this. We are exploring partnership to accelerate entry into biologics. Biologics can, all this is explained in the previous quarter result update, which is estimated at nearly $13 billion, $13 billion, growing at a compound rate of 15% over last 5 years. Now this is regarding the Sputnik vaccine, okay, Sputnik Light vaccine, because of which there was little concern and it created pressure on the stock. Capacity expansion for drug substance manufacturing at our biotech facility has been completed in this quarter. Point number 1. Our drug product manufacturing capacity for vaccine at Pashami-Laram facility has been set up, so that is ready. Joint inspection by CDSCO and DCA has been completed for both drug substance and drug facilities in December 21. What the company is awaiting regulatory approvals to initiate manufacturing of Sputnik Light. So from company's side, everything is ready. The regulatory approval is pending. So from company's side, there is no concern. Company is ready to produce vaccine. It is the regulatory part that is pending. So once the company get approval, the company will start the production. As simple as that. So that factor, I mean, that Sputnik production, a vaccine production should not be a concern now. Company also gave clarification in this result update. I like this company because of the healthy growth numbers, multinational outlook, geographical diversification, which is already discussed in previous videos. So at this price 3,500, 3,600, it again looks attractive. It went up, but now due to the correction it went down. It came down to this level. Thank you for watching the video. Do share this video with your friends, relatives and like-minded people. Subscribe to this channel for interesting updates. I keep on sharing text images on the YouTube channel. Twitter and Instagram page addresses are here. You can subscribe to these social media options also. Thank you.